Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and select the lock screen. Over here, click on screen lock type and pick one of those locking methods. Pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it and draw my pattern. Then select continue and repeat it. Now click on confirm, and over here you can adjust notifications on your lock screen by picking one of those options, or turn them off completely by tapping on the switcher. When you're ready, select done. Now click home button, and when I turn off my screen, I just need to find the button and turn it back on. Icon set pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!